In today's video, we're walking through how to set up an e-commerce store inside GoHighLevel. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you've ever felt confused about how products, checkout, taxes, and shipping all fit together inside GoHighLevel, this video is going to help you see the full picture. We're going to walk through how GoHighLevel handles e-commerce, what pieces you actually need, and how to think about setting it up in a really clean and simple way. This matters because GoHighLevel is not a traditional e-commerce platform, and that's where people can really get stuck. But once you understand how it's designed to work, setting up a store becomes so much easier and more flexible. By the end of this video, you'll know how to structure products, connect checkout, handle taxes and shipping, and avoid common setup mistakes. Let's get into it. So let's go ahead and start off with the basics. What is GoHighLevel? So GoHighLevel is an all-in-one marketing platform that combines CRM, funnels, websites, payments, emails, SMS, and automations all in one place. For e-commerce sellers, GoHighLevel allows you to sell physical products, digital products, and services without needing a separate storefront platform. Instead of thinking about GoHighLevel like Shopify or WooCommerce, it really helps to think of it as a conversion-focused system. You create products, connect them to checkouts, and then use pages, funnels, and automations to manage the buying experience. In this video, we're going to focus specifically on that e-commerce setup, which means how products are created, how checkouts work, how taxes and shipping are handled, and how it connects into a functional store experience. Before we go into GoHighLevel, let's actually zoom out and look at the main e-commerce pieces inside GoHighLevel. GoHighLevel allows you to create products directly inside the platform, and these products can be physical items, digital downloads, or services. You can then connect those products to the checkout pages, which handle payments and order collection. Checkout pages can live inside funnels or standalone pages. GoHighLevel also supports tax and shipping settings, which let you define how taxes are calculated and how shipping costs are applied. And finally, everything ties into orders and automations, so you can confirm purchases, send follow-ups, and manage customers after the sale. Once you understand these core pieces, the setup becomes so much more straightforward. Again, just something to touch on. One important thing to understand is that GoHighLevel is modular. You're not forced into a rigid store layout. Instead, you're building the pieces you need and connecting them together. Products exist on their own, checkout pages exist on their own. You decide how customers move between them. This gives you so much flexibility. It also means you need to be intentional about setup. Clear structure up front is going to save so much time later on. Okay, so now here is a very simple way to think about building your e-commerce setup in GoHighLevel. If you want to follow along, we do have an exclusive link down below, which will get you access to an extended 30-day free trial. Once you click that link, you'll click Start Extended Free Trial. You'll enter in your company name, full name, email, and phone number. Then you'll click Go to Step 2. You will have to provide a credit card, but you won't be charged until the end of your 30-day free trial. So if you're still deciding if GoHighLevel fits into your workflow, just make sure you set a reminder for yourself on day 28 or 29. Once you are in GoHighLevel, we've got our navigation menu over here. So we're going to be in a bunch of different areas, but we've got our dashboard, which just explains kind of an overview of where your business is at, and you can completely customize this yourself as well. We've got conversations where all of your conversations can funnel into. You've got your calendar, kind of like Calendly, where you can create booking links, etc. All of your contacts will live in here. Anyone who's purchased any email that you receive from a freebie or lead magnet, etc. You've also got opportunities. So this is essentially your CRM. This is where we've got payments. You can create your products, coupons, payment links, subscriptions, and everything in between. AI agents, marketing. So this is, email, social planner, etc. Got automations, which is really important. And then funnels, websites, and so much more. So a very simple step-by-step process is to 1, create your products, 2, build your checkout page, 3, connect products to checkout, 4, set up taxes and shipping, and then test the full flow. Okay, so first let's talk about setting up products. Products are created inside the payment or e-commerce section of GoHighLevel. Each product represents something a customer can buy. When creating a product, we're going to define what it is, how much it costs, and how it should behave after purchase. We're going to go ahead and navigate to payments. We're going to go to products. From here, we're going to go ahead and click create product. From here, you will enter in your product name, the description, product collection if there is one. You can also enable a product label if you want, like sale, featured, etc. And then you can click the start and end date. You also can include the tax category. Okay, so you can do this at the end as well, or you can just do it depending on what your product is. Okay, and then you want to include tax in prices. So this is defined if product price prices should be inclusive or exclusive of tax by default. So you can be yes, will be included in the purchase price, no, tax will not be included in the purchase price, or you can click as per global setting, okay? You also can upload your media right here, a one-time purchase, and the amount. You can also add a compare at price if you want to track inventory, which you definitely will if you're selling a physical product. And then you can select continue selling when out of stock or not. You also can add variants, so if there's a size, color, etc. And then you can add search engine listings, so SEO title, SEO description, and then handle. Okay, and then as soon as you are done, you'll click save. You also want to make sure you include this in the online store or else it won't show up in your checkout page, okay? So we will just go ahead and take this planner as an example, okay? We've got the product media, we've got the price, okay? This is a physical product, so we'll go ahead and click save. This product is not just shown automatically, right? We just have it in GoHighLevel, but now we need to build the checkout page. And the checkout page is where the actual transaction happens. This is the page where customers see when they enter payment details and complete their purchase. So checkout pages are actually built using the page or funnel builder. You can design the layout, you can add elements and connect the product to the page. Okay, so we'll go ahead and navigate to sites. As you can see, you can do a website, but we're gonna stay on funnels right here. Let's just build with, okay, now we can have AI help us. So this is gonna be daily planner, checkout page funnel. Okay, health, we want to sell products, individual consumer, and this is a product. Okay, go ahead and generate. And with this AI, I've used it many times before. It's not the most amazing page in the world, but what it does is it gives you the basics of what you need for what you're trying to build, right? So again, I want you to think about it as a starting point, not the end all be all, okay? Okay, so a checkout page should be fairly simple, right? We want company name, full name, email address, where you're shipping to. So it will be fairly simple like this. We've got our order form. You'll want to obviously come in here and make it cute and make it actually with your brand and style, of course. And then as soon as that is done, you can publish that. Okay, so now that we've got the checkout page done, we need to come over here to products. This is where we would select this product right here. So if it's a different product, you would go ahead and add it, but all of your products will be right here. You'll select the price and you can go ahead and click save. So that's how you connect your order page to the actual product itself. Then from there, you can go and embed it into your website, make a pretty product or landing page, and then that way it will connect all together. You'll want to set up an automation. So you can set up a million types of automations, but we'll want to go ahead and create a confirmation email and SMS confirmation once our planner has been purchased, okay? So I like to let the AI do its thing and then we can go ahead and customize from there. Okay, so now as you can see, the daily planner order has been submitted. Then we're going to immediately send the order confirmation email and then send the order confirmation text. If you wanted to add a delay, you also could maybe wait like 5 minutes. You can save action. Okay, so then we've got the order confirmation email. It will go ahead and have your order number in there. It will wait 5 minutes and then send the order confirmation text. So your order has been confirmed. Thank you for your purchase. Obviously, you want to customize this to be your voice, your brand, whatever it may be, but that's a really great starting point using the AI. The last step is to just test the workflow, okay? You want to make sure that you are testing it out, making sure that it actually works, and then from there you can go ahead and publish it and then you're good to go. Lastly, we're going to talk about taxes and shipping. Taxes are the area where many sellers feel unsure, but the setup itself is fairly straightforward. So GoHighLevel allows you to define tax rules based on location and product type. You decide when taxes are applied and how it's calculated. The key is understanding that GoHighLevel applies tax logic at checkout. When a customer enters their address, the system determines whether tax should be added based on your settings. You don't need to overcomplicate this. Start with the basic tax rules that match where you operate and what you sell. You can always adjust as your store grows. And again, accuracy matters so much here, way more than complexity. And then with shipping, it's fairly simple. For physical products, you can define predefined shipping rates that apply at checkout. This might be a flat rate, a calculated rate, or even free shipping depending on your offer. Shipping costs are added during checkout so customers can see the full total before completing their purchase. And of course, if you sell digital products, shipping can be disabled entirely. This just keeps checkouts clean and avoids confusion. Okay, now that you understand how everything connects together, I just wanted to touch on the plans and pricing options. They do have a couple of options here depending on where you're at in business, what type of business you have. So the starter plan is just $97 a month. You get everything that we talked about: products, shipping, customers, messaging, everything in between. Or if you need more than 3 sub accounts, you're going to want to go with at least the unlimited plan, which is $297 a month. You get everything in the starter plan, but you get unlimited sub accounts, user agent reporting. You can rebill phone and email with no markup, and then basic API access. Then we've got the agency pro plan, which is $497 per month. You get everything in the unlimited plan, but you get SaaS mode, automated sub account creation, and advanced API access. So again, I think it'll be pretty clear based on you and your business which plan is going to fit your needs. If you want an e-commerce setup that integrates directly with funnels, automations, and CRM workflows, GoHighLevel is such a strong option. It works especially well for digital products, services, and focused physical product offers. If you need advanced inventory tracking, large catalogs, or marketplace style features, a traditional e-commerce platform is probably going to be a better option. But for sellers who value simplicity, automation, and control over their customer journey, this setup is going to make so much sense for you. I know how overwhelming it can feel trying to figure out e-commerce when platforms work differently than you expected. But once you understand how GoHighLevel structures products, checkouts, taxes, and shipping, and everything will start to click. I hope this video gave you so much clarity. And if you want to get an extended 30-day free trial for GoHighLevel, don't forget to use our link down below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content and tutorials just like this. This channel is dedicated to helping you build simple, effective e-commerce systems that actually support growth. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.